Welcome to our channel. Okay guys, we want to remove the seats for the 2012 Tacoma. And basically you're going to have two bolts in the front. Those are 14s, two in the back. And then you're going to have these plugs. They're very easy to remove. You just push the pin and it releases. Same for the gray one. It's two in the passenger. It's going to be more or less the same in the driver. To access the rear seats, the rear bolt, guys, you need to pull these covers off. Basically, you just grab them by the side and they will release these two tabs right here. And that's what it makes the removal of the cover, so you can uncover the two bolts that are going to be down there. Now, when it comes to the rear, you're going to have two bolts in each side. This is the small seat. The largest goes here. Those are 12 millimeters. And you're going to have two 14s when it comes to the back right here. One right there, one in the other side. Same for the long seat right here. The only difference is the seat belt goes across and it's going to be held by these bolts. You just remove it and put it back on. That's another 14. And this is a very simple removal for the seats in this Tacoma. That's all that it is. And if you have questions, guys, put it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you. So we are demystifying the installation process so you can see that it's not that difficult. If you decide to do this, we ship our kits directly to your home, office, or workplace, and you can save money in the installation. If not, you can bring it to me right here in San Bernardino and I take care of you. I'll do the whole installation for you guys. So like and subscribe, and I'll continue in the next video so you can see the peeling of the cloth. So we don't save these covers, they're gonna be destroyed. There is times when we save them, not this time. But normally it takes longer to do that. So we are not sentimental about them. So we just let them go. And, installation is going to be very simple.